Welcome! In front of me I have smartwatch DT93 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, if you want to enable the phone notifications for this watch, your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the FitCloud Pro application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are enabled for the notifications to work. To do it, first we need to open the settings on our iPhone. In the settings, we need to scroll down to the list of applications at the bottom of the settings menu. Find the FitCloud Pro application, tap on it. Here, make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled for the application. Now we can go back to settings, scroll up, tap on the Bluetooth settings. Oh, my bad, not mobile data, Bluetooth. Here, find the H Smartwatch 2CB on the list. Tap on the info icon next to it. Make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. And once it's enabled, you can close the settings. Now we can open the FitCloud Pro application on our phone. Tap on device, tap on push notifications. And here we can customize the notification settings for our watch. We can enable the call notifications, SMS notifications, email notifications, and also we can enable some notifications for certain apps like WeChat, QQ, Facebook, Twitter, and stuff like that. Simply by tapping on the switch next to the application you want to enable the notifications for. And once you're done, you can close the app, and at this point you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. You can check them by waking up the screen on your watch and then swiping upwards on the screen, not upwards like this, to open the messages, and here you can check your notifications. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.